Guys, it's a toucan. Hi, buddy. Mr. Sloth is running armadillo. A monkey.
Tamarind.
Hi, my name's Bob. How you guys doing? Subscribe to Kale's channel. Gymnastics. Chameleon. He is a tomato. My guy is a fat alligator. And his best friend, Joe. Even bigger. Swimming turtle. Looks like a statue, but he's real. Flat froggy. Short. Oh my god. There's a bunch of sharkies in here. Hey, bud. He's coming through. There's a lot of fishies in here. And the big fishy. It's little Nemo in his big aquarium. Hi, Patrick. Coolest thing you've ever seen. The big catfish. That big one. Oh, hi, buddy. Wow. Little Nemo. What the heck is that? Shark eggs. Jellyfish, guys. There's even babies. And big ones. Seahorse, guys. Hi, buddies. Big stingray. Guys, we found Dory. Yay. It's a long eel. Okay, guys, claw machine. See what we can win. I'm going for that little whale thing. See if we can get the little black whale looking thing here. No way. Oh my god.